Hey guys, very good evening to all of you. Oh, sorry, very good morning to all of you, and welcome to the session. So how are you all doing? How's life going on? Very good morning and hi to everyone. Hi guys, hi Varun, hi Deepak, hi Rudraksh. Very welcome to all of you to the session. How's everything going on? Late Baba? Okay, Harshanand Baba ki jai. Acha. Okay, so how are you all guys doing? How's everything going on at your end? All good, all great? Hello. Hi Mehak, how are you? I know you are Mehak, you are not Deepak. Okay, so great, that's great, fantastic. So I guess you all might be knowing that we were discussing the sample paper of basic mathematics. So we had already completed the first part of the sample paper, isn't it? So now what we have to do, we have to see the second part, section B of the same sample paper, basic. Okay, chalo, so are we all ready to start it? Come on, tell me. Shuru kare? Shall we start this? Are you all ready? Yes or no? हाँ जी सर, ओके महक शुरू करते हैं. चलो, हैप्पी नवरात्रि. सेम टू यू ब्रिजेश, सेम टू यू बाड़ी. ओके, यो लेट क्यों आए? अरे लेट नहीं आया, थोड़ा सा वो मेरी टीम भूल गई थी कि मेरा सेशन है, तो वो लोग लगाना ही भूल गए कि आई हैव अ सेशन, सो दे फॉरगॉट इट. So that's why I just knocked them that I had a session at 12 o'clock. You did not knock me. So they said, very sorry, sir. And then they put the sessions. Okay? Chalo. Okay, fine. So let's start this. Here we go. Section B. Now we'll be talking about section B. Section B does have all the questions like 2 marker, 3 marker and 5 marker. So 2 marker, 3 marker and 5 marker, they have all the questions. Section B. Fine. So let's start it. And in this, 2 marker will be 6 questions. 6 questions will be 2 marker. Fine. So we have to actually see them. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Here we go for the first question. Everyone, please pay attention. The first one. Question says, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining this and this in the ratio 3:1. So will you be able to do this? जल्दी से बताओ yo or no. कर लोगे? Will you be able to do this? This question here, this question simply says that this has to be this will be divided in the m:n ratio. So if you do remember that x value is equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Do you remember this formula? याद है? Yo. Okay, शुभम क्यों बेटा no? बेटा शुभम लगता है पढ़ाई तुमने ठीक से की नहीं, क्यों? So we have already done this question like x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, isn't it? फास्ट रखा है? नहीं महक, नहीं हो पाता मेरे से. So mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Here your m value is 3 and n value is 1. M value is 3, n value is 1, m is to n, and then this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. Okay, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So you have these two values, you have to put the values here, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. You will get the coordinates of the point. क्या ये कर लोगे? Will you be able to do this? Come on, tell me. Will you be able to do this? All of you? Yes, yo, that's great, fantastic, man. Now let's see the second question as well. So second question says, find a relation between x and y such that point x and y is equidistant from point this and point this. Equidistant simply means what? Say for example, if this is your point P and this is your point A and B, this simply means equidistant means you have to make PA equals to PB. What do you have to make? You have to make PA equals to PB. And I think you know the distance formula. Do you know that? डिस्टेंस फार्मूला पता है या कितनों को पता है? इजी है. अच्छा जल्दी बताओ डिस्टेंस फार्मूला कितनों को पता है? सो फाइन, दैट्स ग्रेट यार, बहुतों को पता है ऐसा लग रहा है. तो अगर डिस्टेंस फार्मूला पता है, इफ यू गाइस नो डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, सो दैट डिस्टेंस फार्मूला सिंपली मींस डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू रूट अंडर x2 minus x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 होल स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस इज द डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. याद है? याद आ रहा है? यस, हलवा. ओके फाइन, तो कर लोगे ये सारे क्वेश्चंस? Will you be able to do this? बस सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला में पुट करना है यार. x2 minus x1 होल स्क्वायर, 7 minus 3 का होल स्क्वायर 4 स्क्वायर and 1 minus 5 का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज 4 स्क्वायर. तो 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर आंसर वुड बी 4 रूट 2. देखो देखते देखते आंसर आ जा रहा है. वी आर गेटिंग द आंसर्स, isn't it? So let's see. First one, you have to do the formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny2 divided by m plus n. The same way you will get x and y. Here also in the second case, you have to do the same thing. Equations equal करने हैं. Once you do that, you will be getting the line very easily. ठीक है? चलो मेरा नाम लो सर. यार तिवारी जी, राहुल भाई नाम लेवाने से बेहतर है कि क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, isn't it? चलो fine. Let's move on. If you all have understood this, let's move on. Here we go. Next question, everyone please pay attention. This next question says, in the figure, if L is parallel to M, LM parallel to CB, what it is saying, LM parallel to CB, if that is the scenario, LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD, LN parallel to CD, okay, so LN parallel to CD, then prove that AM by MB equals to AN by ND. Will you be able to do this? देखो मैं आपको तरीका बता सकता हूँ. It's very easy. You have to just apply the BPT. क्या करना है आपको? BPT लगाना है. And using BPT, what you will do? That first of all, this line LM is parallel to BC. So you can write very easily AL by LC equals to AM by MB. लिख पाओगे क्या? AL by LC equals to AM by MB. I guess you will be able to write it. And same way, you can do it here also in this triangle also, that you have got this line parallel to this line, so you can write AL by LC is equals to AN by ND. You can write AN by ND. Very easily, yeah, you can do that. Why not? So once you did this, very easily you are able to figure it out that MA by MB equals to AN by ND, जो हमें proof करना था. AM by MB equals to AN by ND. कर लोगे? Come on, tell me. Yes. Would you be able to do this? Yes. Why not, sir? That's great, Mehak. Fantastic. All of you, give me a yo-yo. Kar loge these questions. Very easy. Okay, cool. So if you would be able to do this, that's great, man. Moving on. So the solution is also given for all of you. Steps are also written, that how much steps would be, how much marks would be given for that step. Okay. So step marking has also been mentioned clearly. Fine. Let's move on. Next question. This next question, what it says that we have to prove AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. How we would do that? So देखो, let me tell you, I'm not going to write the entire answer for you because it is already written here. See this entire thing. But what I'm going to tell you, the methodology. Methodology में what you have to do. Are you able to understand that here A is an external point? See here, A is an external point. If A is an external point, so from an external point, if we draw two tangents to a circle, both of them are of equal length. Yes. So very easily you can figure out that AP is equals to AX. AP is equals to AS. AP is equals to AS. Say for example, if I assume AP value to be X, then AS will also be X. Yeah. Similarly, you can do here also. BQ will be equals to BP. So if you assume this as Y, this will also be Y. Isn't it? And the same goes here also. D and C. Now after that, what you have to do? You have to just add the same things. You have to just add them. इन दोनों को add करो, इन दोनों को add करो. And then you will find that this is equals to the opposite two sides. कर लोगे? Come on, tell me, will you be able to do this? Yes or not, sir? बहुत easy है हम standard वालों के लिए. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या रुद्राक्ष भाई? ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, basic वालों के लिए भी easy होगा. Fine. Sir, crash course launch कर दो please. Paid Vedantu. Okay. Vaibhav, I got it. So it will be launched very soon. Don't worry. So everyone is saying yes. Does standard maths people need to do basic math paper? It can help you. See, nowhere it is written that standard maths has a hard and fast line boundary drawn that this is standard maths question and this is basic maths question. It's not like that. So you should do, because it will either way enhance your practice, isn't it? Chalo, let's move on. Halwa question, if you all have understood. So the entire solution is again given here, the same way which I said. BQ equals to BP, see here BQ equals to BP, CQ equals to CR, CQ equals to CR, and DS equals to DR. Okay, the same way. Fine. So if this is given, you have to just see it and then do the needful. Fine. Chalo, let's move on. If you all have understood. Draw a line segment of length 7.8 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Construction. Do you remember that? Construction. याद आ रहा है? So construction is pretty simple. What do you have to do? If you do remember, I had already taught you the method. What was the method? Method was draw any line. If you have to divide this line in 5:8. So first of all, you have to draw the length of 7.8. Let's make 7.87 centimeter. Then make a line segment and 5:8. So what you will do? You will take 5 plus 8, that is 13 marks. Equal marks. So 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot till 13. This is what I had taught. And then you'll join the 13th mark with the last point, end point of this line, and then this line, and then you will come at a 8th point, B8. यार ये सारी चीजें याद आ रही है नहीं आ रही हैं? Just tell me yes or no. B5 and this is B13. Are you all remembering this or not? Construction, halwa. Sir, I am of standard maths, so for standard maths people this would be much more easy, isn't it? Yes sir, Kulchi says yes sir, Kulchi Jha. Okay, people are saying yes. Okay, most of them are saying yes. That's good, super easy. So I don't think that I need to get into this unnecessarily, isn't it? Acha, yeah guys, you just tell me, will it be more better if I just show you the question, and in any of the question where most of the people say that sir we have not understood this, or please explain this, I will explain that question. Otherwise we can just move on and I can just show you the questions. Will that be fine? Just give me a yo-yo if you are okay with this plan. Just give me a yo-yo. I need yo-yo, then only I'll understand that you people are okay with this plan. चलेगा? सर इस बार फुल लाना है मैथ्स में. क्या बात है संतोष भाई, बिल्कुल, भगवान करे आपका पूरा फुल आए. यो 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 यो. ओके, मैक्सिमम ऑफ देम आर यो यो. बस एक नमन नो बोल रहा है, बाकी सारे यो बोल रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. तो नमन भाई बाकी सारों के साथ हो जाओ. नो से कोई क्या फायदा. देखो ऐसे भी वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू कंप्लीट एंटायर 40 क्वेश्चंस. अभी हम लोग सारे 40 क्वेश्चंस कैसे करेंगे? जस्ट सोच के देखो, वी आर एट 24 राइट नाउ, 16 क्वेश्चंस एंड दैट टू लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस. तो इट्स मोर बेटर कि बाकी सारों के साथ हो जाए, इजंट इट? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो फाइन, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो वेरी सिंपल थिंग, 2 मार्क्स का कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टेप होगा. और कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टेप, ओके, इन लोगों ने कंस्ट्रक्शन बनाया नहीं है, बट आई गेस यू ऑल नो दैट 7.8 सेंटीमीटर लाइन. You have to make a line where you have to actually mark 13 equal segments, and then with the 13th segment you will join the line, and with the 5th segment you will join the line. 5 or 13 वाले से. Fine. चलो moving on. See you tomorrow. Something new, big and exciting. Okay, कुछ तो नया आ रहा है कल सुबह. कल सुबह नहीं, मतलब अभी सुबह नहीं लिखा हुआ है, कल लिखा हुआ है. तो कुछ तो अच्छा आ रहा है. और इस बार ये सरप्राइज मुझे भी नहीं पता. I also don't know this surprise this time, so this is a real surprise. So all of you just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button so that you should get the notification ki what is the surprise for tomorrow. But tomorrow there is some surprise for all of you. Okay, chalo, so that's great. Let's move on. Here's the next question. The next question says 15 cot A equals to 8 and sin A and sec A. Sin A and sec A ki value you have to find. Find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R we have to find. Okay, that's great, no issues. So cot A value is given. So if cot A value, wait a second, how they have given cot A? Looks like, they are different questions, sorry for that. Cot A value is given 8 by 15. Won't you be able to find sin A and sec A? नहीं निकाल लोगे, triangles बना के निकाल लोगे. Easy है, tough तो नहीं है. Just keep on telling me yes, yes or yo, yo, ताकि मेरे को समझ में आए, so that I should understand that yes, you will be able to do this. I don't need to explain this question. Yes, yo, yo, very good. Sir, we want a maths channel by you. Okay, Tanmay, I'll see to it. And then this question also the same way, tan P and tan R, you can very easily find it out. Very easy. Okay, that's great then. The entire solution is also given for you. Just dekh lo. Just go through it. Okay, fine. Let's move on. Halwa question. Jamun question. Anil, this was good one. Okay, anyways, Lallu question. How many terms of the AP this 9, 17, 25 ... must be taken to give a sum of 636? Very simple again. You have to find how many number of terms, means value of n has to be found. What? Value of n has to be found. If value of n has to be found, you'll just apply the sum of n terms ka formula. Sn is equals to 636. You know the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You'll find the value of n. You'll get a quadratic equation in n. हो जाएगा. Yo yo. हिमांशु कैसे हो? नहीं ये बताओ आंसर आ जाएगा कि नहीं. Will you be able to do this? Yo yo. Okay, Mehak is also telling some answer. 20. Okay, maybe. Rasgulla question. Fine, that's great. Okay, so this means that you will be able to do this. So Mehak, by the way, answer is going to be n equals to 12. Number of terms which you have to take is 12 terms. This is the entire solution exactly the same way. Sn is given 636. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values, solve it, you'll get a quadratic equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Solve this. Once you solve this, you will get n equals to 12 or minus 53 by 4. Number of terms can't be negative, hence n will be equals to 12. Okay? Sir, formula equals to n by 2 into n minus 1. No, ये नहीं होगा. So this formula, Kulchi, we would not be able to use it here because that is the formula for sum of n terms of a natural number. Okay? Chalo. Now, second part, that is 3 marker questions. So in this 3 marker questions, we have 7 questions having 3 marks. Let's see them as well. First question, prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Very, very, very ultra easy question. Like we have been seeing this question since like 2 years back. Class 9 se dekh rahe hain, isn't it? So 9th and 10th also you would have seen it multiple places at in your school also. So I don't think I need to explain this. But please do not forget to practice it. Otherwise you will not be able to solve it in your examination. So this is the entire question. You have to solve it. Fine. Chalo. Fine. Let's move on then. Here we go. Next question. So the next question is, two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ equals to 2 times angle OPQ. कर लोगे क्या? झंडू क्वेश्चन. अच्छा. अरे बाप रे बाप. Will you be able to do this? Come on, tell me. You have to just prove congruency. Congruent proof करना है. And which two triangles? I'll just tell you. You have to just make this line. आपको ये line बनाना है, and then you have to draw this, and then you have to prove it. So everyone is saying yes sir, yes sir. Rajinder is saying like the video. Okay, Rajinder, thanks a lot. सर आप पेन को हाथ भी मत लगाओ. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? इतना कॉन्फिडेंस, गजब यार, तुम लोग आग लगा दोगे. सर अगले साल आपकी बहुत याद आएगी, 5 महीने हो गए आपसे पढ़ते हुए. आहो वैभव, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, मैं रहूंगा अगले साल भी, चिंता ना करो. ठीक है, thanks a lot Pranjal. Fine, so looks like that everyone is saying easy peasy question and they would be able to do this, so no issues. Then I'll not unnecessarily take my pen. PTQ, this angle PTQ, so if you assume this angle to be x, so this angle will be 180 minus x. Okay, and these two are 90 and 90. So question is saying prove that 2 times OPQ, 2 times OPQ, so this angle you have to prove x by 2. Easy है, हो जाएगा. Just try it once, you will be able to do this. Okay, चलो हम 11th में होंगे सर. हाँ मुझे पता है महक कि अगले साल तुम 11th में होंगे. मैं ऐसा नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि ये सारे बच्चे जो मेरे से अभी पढ़ रहे हैं वो इस साल इसी यहीं लटक जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. आई नो यू विल बी इन 11th, वही सोच के बोल रहा हूँ. चलो खैर, एनीवेज, तो दिस इज द एंटायर मेथड. इन केस इफ यू गेट एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन एक्चुअली गो थ्रू इट. ठीक है, देख सकते हो और समझ सकते हो यहाँ से. इट्स नॉट टफ, ईजी है. ठीक है, देखो जो भी क्वेश्चन टफ रहेगा, एनी क्वेश्चन विच इज लाइक out of the way, out of the box, I will solve it, don't worry. ठीक है, moving on. Next question, again ये भी easy है. Meena went to a bank, withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 and rupees 100 notes only. I guess I have already solved this question somewhere. 50 और 100 rupees के notes चाहिए उसको. So how many notes altogether she has? So Meena got 25 notes in all. Altogether she has 25 notes. So let the number of 50 rupees notes is x and the number of 100 rupees notes is y. So x plus y equals to 25 because total number of notes, and then 50x plus 100y equals to 2000. Won't you be able to solve this question यार? मतलब इससे ज़्यादा easy क्या होता है? Snake charmer question. हाँ मतलब एकदम simple question है, isn't it? Fine. So you solved this in previous session, I remember. Really? I don't think so. I don't think so. But anyways. Moving on. So this is the entire solution. You can just go through it. Number of 50 rupees notes is 10 and number of 100 rupees notes is y. Super simple. Okay, moving on. Next question, box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it be a 2-digit number. So from 1 to 90, how many 2-digit numbers are there? How many 2-digit numbers are there? Come on, come on, come on. I guess this one everyone knows. It's very simple. 90 minus not 10. 90 minus 9. Because 1 to 9 are only single digit number. 10 is a double digit number. So 90 minus 9, that is 81. So 81 numbers are there, 2-digit number. So answer would be 2-digit number like 81 by 90. 81, absolutely right Anita. 81 by 90 would be the right answer. 81 by 90. Okay. A perfect square number. So how many perfect square do you have in 1 to 90? So I would say 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square till 9 square, because 9 square is 81. After that 10 square is 100. Isn't it? So only 9 numbers you have, 9 numbers which are perfect square. So 9 divided by 90. Similarly, number divisible by 5. So again you can find it out. 18 numbers would be there. So 18 by 90. Okay, cool. Yeah, everyone is knowing that. That's great, man. Fine. One card is drawn and one card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of a king of red color. How many king do we have, by the way? How many king do we have, by the way? I guess 4. And in that 4 kings, we have 2 red and 2 black. 2 black kings and 2 red kings, isn't it? So king of red color, 2 divided by 52. Super easy, man, super easy. Spade. How many spade cards do we have? I guess you remember that black has spade and club. So black is 26, spade is 13 and club is also 13. So 13 cards. 13 divided by 52. Super simple. And next, the queen of diamonds. So queen of diamonds. So there are 4 queens, 1 queen of diamond, 1 queen of heart, 1 queen of spade and 1 queen of club. So queen of diamond is only 1. So that's 1 divided by 52. That's the answer. Super simple, isn't it? I guess you will be able to do these questions as well. nonetheless means it's not a matter that whether these questions are of 3 marker, 4 or 5 marker or 2 marker. You are well prepared for it. Okay, moving on. So this is the entire answer. 2 by 52, 1 by 4 and 1 by 52. Like super simple answers. Moving on. Metallic sphere of radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Yeah, how simple they are. You have to just add the volume of all the 3 smaller spheres and you have to make it equal to the volume of the bigger sphere, and hence you have to find the radius. I am getting the answer in just like without even writing it out. The means you will write 4 by 3 pi 6 cube plus 4 by 3 pi 8 cube plus 4 by 3 pi 10 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Like more than easy, man. How they have given these type of questions in 3 marker? Just imagine. So your answer would be r cube is equals to 8 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. That's it. You'll get the answer. People are even saying the answer. Let's check whether it's right or wrong. So r is 12. R is 12. Wow. Those who are giving the answers, that's great. So you will write r cube equals to 6 cube, 8 cube plus 10 cube. Hence you get the answer. समझ आ रहा है? Alu question. Okay, that's great. Yes, Rudraksh, Akshara, everyone is right. Answer is 12. Absolutely right. Cool, man. Prove that this question. Okay, so let me tell you this same question, exactly same question I have done in your regular sessions of trigonometry. I have already done it, and not only this year. In fact, last year also I did the exactly same question in trigonometry, even in sprint also. So you can find if you are having problem. By the way, I am very sure you won't be having any problem in this question, but in case if you do have any single percent of problem, just follow that video. Just write Harsh Priyam sir trigonometry. You will get my videos. Just follow that video. You will get the solution of it. Believe me. Okay. So just try 3rd or 4th session. In that session, you will get get this question. Okay. You are really learning a lot. Okay. Trigonometry. Yes. मुझे नहीं आता ये question. Okay. मैं बेटा एक बार try करना. Just follow my previous year video. In that last year, or in fact this year also, I have solved this question in regular session. Do you remember? We used to have Umang sessions, and where I used to teach you in the normal regular channel on class 9th and 10th Hindi. I used to teach you trigonometry there. कुछ याद आ रहा है? And in that trigonometry, I have completed all the chapters, all the topics with full detail, solving the questions, theory, also everything. So there I used to solve some questions. Do you remember that? कुछ याद आ रहा है? याद करो. Long ago, there was a teacher named Harsh Priyam. He used to teach you trigonometry and all subjects. All chapters. Yes? Okay, fine, that's great. So this means you would be able to do this. By the way, in case if you want to go through the solution, this is it. Okay? Chalo. Okay, sir, I have remembered. Okay, Pranjal remembered it now. Moving on, next question. Upstream, downstream. How many of you remember that I have taught you upstream, downstream on the main channel? Where I had taught you x plus y and x minus y. X plus y would be the speed of downstream, because whenever you go down, your speed is increased. Do you remember that? And upstream, going up is always tough. So x minus y, boat speed minus stream speed. Do you remember that? So are you finding that these all questions we have already done it earlier? So we don't need to solve it multiple times. Means I don't need to solve it multiple times. But surely if you will solve it 2-3 times, it will be helpful for you. But nonetheless, if you have already solved it and you know that you are very confident on this question, you can leave it, okay, as of now, and you can concentrate on other questions. 2 consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose square is 290. Who can tell me the answer? If one of the integer I assume x, the another integer will be x plus 2. It will not be x plus 1. It's written here consecutive, but at the same time it's written odd. So if one odd number I assume x, another odd number will be x plus 2. So the sum of square means x square plus x plus 2 whole square. X square plus x plus 2 whole square. That is what we will be doing that. So x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 290. Won't you be able to solve this? Like quadratic equation, man. It's super easy, isn't it? Yeah? Okay, x plus 2. Absolutely right, Jay. Odd. Fine, that's great, man. So if you will be able to solve it, here you will be, so this is the board stream question first. So try solving this. Here board speed is given. So x minus y, which we used to do, here you will take 18 minus x. Fine. The same way you have to make the entire equation and you will get the final answer. So blah, 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 x equals to minus 54 or 6. So speed can't be negative here. So speed will be positive. So stream speed you have got 6, and board speed is already given 18. Same way, if you will solve the another one, which I said x and then x plus 2, x square plus x plus 2 whole square, this is equals to 290. So this entire thing is equals to 290. Solve this entire thing, you will get x equals to 11 or minus 13. Obviously negative won't be taken, has to be neglected because odd number can't be negative. So you will get a positive number. Fine. Sir, will board be easy? Obviously Shakti, this year it's going to be super easy. Okay, don't worry. Sir, मेरी गन सुन लो प्लीज. की हो गया महक? आपा क्यों परेशान है बित्ता? Okay, sir, how you got to know about chapter wise weightage? Anshika, that is available on Google CBSE website. CBSE website पे available है. अभी मैं चाहता तो ऐसा बोलना चाह रहा था कि मेरे contacts हैं, but it is available. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Moving on, so now this is the last part, that is a 5 marker question. So you have only 3 questions here. So 3 questions, let's see, and these questions are easy. Don't think that if they are 5 marker questions, it's a very big question. No, it's not like that. Let's move on. So, but before that, it's not over yet. Before that, Vedantu rankers, and you might be knowing that Vedantu has done outstandingly well. Not only Vedantu students have done outstandingly well, and they have made us proud. These all students have got 2-digit and 3-digit rank as well. So very soon we are even expecting that once you people join Vedantu, we will be having single-digit rank as well. So you are able to see that how many students have got such a beautiful rank in JEE exam from Vedantu. So this actually means that yes, students are very much satisfied here, they are learning a lot, and Vedantu is one such brand which can be trusted. Okay, so now it's time for you guys to actually put your belief in Vedantu and join the sessions. Okay, so the link for joining the sessions is in the description box. Moving ahead, this is the first question. Just tell me very honestly, how many of you know that I have already done this question? At that point of time in my session, when I was doing this question in some of in applications of trigonometry, the question was about aeroplane. How many of you remember this? How many of you remember this, that we have already done this question? Here it was an aeroplane. Do you remember? Okay, Srinivas remembers that. Yo, okay. Vaibhav and Rudraksh also remembers that. Utkarsh remembers that. So people, do you remember that we had already done this question on the main channel, 9th and 10th Vedantu? Do you remember this? Exactly the same question. And just see, whatever questions I had taught you in the regular sessions, these all questions have come in the sample paper, and let me assure you, these questions would be there in the main exam also. The data, the value might change, but rest everything would be same. Just let me tell you that. So please do not leave these questions. In case if anyone has any problem in solving these questions, I have done a detailed solution for these questions on the Vedantu 9th and 10th main channel also, and in my previous year video also, this year video also, multiple times I have done this question, because these questions are very hot cake questions. Okay, fine. Please take my name. Pragya, beta, Pragya, you have to solve this. Okay, fine. Cool. So if you all are understanding, for your reference, the entire answer is also given here. By the way, I think you would not be requiring it. So moving on. So this is the entire solution. Wait a second. Okay, we have 2 questions here. Sorry, I missed it. So this question, angle of depression at the bottom. So the same question, yeah, the exactly same question. We have done all these questions. That's why I'm moving ahead. Okay. Thanks a lot, Pranjal. Thanks a lot, buddy. Okay, moving on. So the final answer also, you will get it here. See that these all solutions are given here. So you can actually get the final answer. First question, and answer is x is equals to 12 plus 4 root 3. Second question, from the second question also, the final answer is 58 root 3. Okay, cool. Hey guys, hi, this is Abhishek, master teacher at Vedantu. Really? Kostova. Okay, so you're copying your master teacher Abhishek sir, isn't it? That's great. Cool. Moving on. Next question. This is the pth term. Fine. So guys, let me tell you, I have not solved this question for you guys this year. I know that. So this question I had solved last year. So I can solve this question if you want. So how many of you want the solution, or how many of you are confident that you will be able to do this question? You want the solution, just write want, or if you will be able to do this, just write able. Just write able or just write want. Do you want me to do the solution right now, or you will be able to do it on your own? Want, please solve, great session, want, able, halwa, want, solve, want. Okay, so most of them are saying want. Okay, fine, that's great. Then I will solve this question. Let's see. So everyone please pay attention. Question says if pth term, qth term and rth term of an AP are A, B and C respectively. Acha. So pth term, can I write pth term can be written as AP is equals to A plus P minus 1 into D. You all would agree on that? Yeah? Oh, you should. Why not? Fine. Then you have AQ. Then you have AQ, which is qth term. A plus Q minus 1 into D. And then you have rth term. A plus R minus 1 into D. Fine. That's great. That's great. Okay, cool. We have got pth term, qth term, rth term. Now the fact is that the question is saying show that A times Q minus R. A times Q minus R. See here. A times Q minus R. So how would I get Q minus R? Any idea? Any idea? I have Q here, I have R here. Don't you feel that if I subtract them, I would be getting Q minus R very easily? Huh? So this simply means if I do a subtraction here, I would be getting what? I would be actually getting AQ minus, so let me do AQ minus AR. Qth term minus rth term I have done. So if I subtract them, first of all, this will become a minus A, gone, so 0. Then here Q minus R, because if I subtract this, Q minus R will be here. So plus Q minus R times D. Agreed? Pakka? Okay. So Q minus R times D. Minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled because here it will become plus 1. Are you all understanding till here? Just tell me yes or no. यहाँ तक की बात समझ आ रही है? All of you understanding it? Cool. That's great if you are understanding. Now second term is asked from us is R minus P. Second term they are asking from us is R minus P. Okay, that's great. So pth term of an AP is, okay, wait a second. Sorry, I read the half question. Question is written, pth term of the AP are A. Pth term is given as A. So this is A. Qth term, this qth term is given as B. So this is B. And then rth term is given as C. This is C. Pth term A, qth term B and rth term C. Okay. So this means if I am going to AQ minus AR, this means I will be having B minus C. So I will just write here B minus C. Fine? You all got it? Okay, cool. Now if all of you got it, then what I would say, next what we need R minus P. What we need R minus P. How would I get R minus P? Very simple, man. AR minus AP. If I subtract C minus A, I would get A R minus P. Okay. So I'll write C minus A. Again, A minus A, 0, gone to 0, 0. Plus, here I would get R minus P. So I would write R minus P. And 1 and 1 would be cancelled times D. Simple. Okay, that's great. Now the last one guys, what I am having right now. The last one which I am having right now is P minus Q. So let's do that P minus Q also. P minus Q. This means I'll get A minus B. A minus B. I'll get 0 plus P minus Q times D. P minus Q times D. Okay, fine. Cool. Now, please pay attention. We have got everything. How we have got everything? Now just pay attention over one thing. I can very easily understand one thing, that here, first of all, you have got B minus C, C minus A minus B. And here you have got Q minus R minus P minus Q. Don't you feel that, and this 0 does not matter. Don't you feel if you send this D to this side, so if you send this D to this side, it will everywhere, it will be divided by D. And divided by D. Everywhere it will be divided by D. And from here, we can actually delete this D. You are understanding this much? Yes? Okay, yes sir. Srinivas says yes sir. Very good, Srinivas. If you guys understand this, now just, and this 0 does not make a difference, does not make a sense. 0 का कोई मतलब नहीं है. So just remove the 0 as well. Now see, I got Q minus R equals to B minus C upon D. R minus P is equals to C minus A upon D. And P minus Q is equals to A minus B upon D. Simple? Okay, fine. Now please pay attention what the question is saying. Question is saying that multiply A with P minus Q. See here. Question is saying multiply A with Q minus R, multiply A. Where have I got Q minus R? Here. Question is saying multiply here A. So I can't multiply only one side. If I have multiplied a here, I need to multiply a here as well. I need to do that. Okay. Now next question is saying that you have a r minus p, multiply b here. So I have a r minus p here. I need to multiply b. So if I will be multiplying here, I need to multiply it here as well. See, I am not doing anything from my own. Whatever is the question saying, that I am doing. Okay. Okay. Next, p minus q. You have a p minus q, multiply c here. So c multiplied here, c multiplied here. Now what the question is saying? Question is saying, buddy, now add all of them. Question is saying now add all of them. I would say, okay, why not? I will add all of them. So if question is saying add all of them, I would say, yeah, why not? I would say add here. Here I have got something which I have to prove actually. See, I have to prove this only. A times q minus r, a times q minus r, b times r minus p, c times p minus q. I have to get this answer. Means, so I'll just write it RHS. Let's write it RHS equals to. Now question says that addition of all these should be equal to 0. Should be equal to what? 0. Means if you add this LHS, it should come as equals to 0. Now this you have to figure it out. Question समझ नहीं आया बेटा, मैं है थोड़ा सा कठिन क्वेश्चन है, मैं समझता हूँ, लेकिन बेटा थोड़ा मेहनत करो, आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So Srinivas, you are absolutely right. Answer would be coming as 0. So if you will be multiplying them and adding them, what do you have to do? You have to just add them like plus, plus. So if you will be adding them, you will be getting it 0. And if you have any doubt, you can actually do it right now. A into B, AB. A into minus C, minus AC. Then B into C plus BC. And B into minus A, minus AB. And then C into A, CA plus CA. And then C into minus B, minus BC. And whole divided by D. Whole divided by D. Now just see, are you getting this answer or not? Which I said right now. AB and minus AB gone. AC and plus CA gone. BC and minus BC gone. So everything gone. This means you have got 0 equals to this entire thing, which is your RHS. So did you prove this or not? Easy peasy. Got it? Sir, is syllabus reduced? Aryan, earlier it was reduced. Right now there is no further reduction. Did everyone understand this? SCL reopen in all of you, thank you so much for explaining in English. I'm happy, Kostuba, that you understood it. So did you all understand it? That's great. Now it's easy. That's fantastic style. Fine. So if you all understood, that's a very good thing. That's a balle thing that you people understood it actually. In case if someone wants a typed solution, this is the entire typed solution. You can go through it. Okay. Moving on, this is the last question, and this last question an easy question. So if you remember, yesterday or day before yesterday, I had taught you statistics also. So in that statistics, I had taught you this entire thing. Okay. By the way, this less than graph I am about to teach you. So about to teach you, you have to just do one simple thing here. That one simple thing is less than 140, less than 145. So here you are able to see that 5 mark is there. So 5 mark means less than 145, you'll write 140 to 145. Less than 140, so you'll write 135 to 140. Less than 150, so you'll write 145 to 150, and like this. Understanding it? This is how you will write it. So you have got the class interval. Very easily you can find the class mark, which I have already taught you in the previous session, if you do remember. x1 plus x2 divided by 2, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that is class mark. So you will get xi, class mark. Xi you will get here, frequency is given fi. You have to find what? Mean. So if you have to find the mean, that's so easy. कल का session बहुत funny था सर जी. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या महक? Fine. So I hope you all understood this question as well. In case if you want to see the reference is here. This entire formula. Okay? Reference is here. By the way, they are saying to find the median also. Looks like that. Find the median height and mean using the formula. So median and mean, both you have to find. So median I have not taught. I'll teach you in the regular sessions. Fine? चलो guys, come on, tell me, did you all understood everything till here? सब कुछ समझ में आ गया, सब बढ़िया क्लियर है? जल्दी बताओ हाँ या ना. Harshar rocks mathematics. Thanks a lot, Kostuba. Super duper easy. Okay, Pranavi. Good to know that. Best mathematics teacher. Thanks a lot, Pranjal. Srinivas. Yes, sir. Okay. Shivangi. Sir, is there any date decided for our board exams? No, Shivangi, not yet. Means that would have been decided, but it has not come yet in the public domain. Fine. So everyone understood. This means this is the entire solution as well. So now, yeah, it's time to say a goodbye. So those all who enjoyed the session, do not forget to like the video. Please like the video and share it with your friends as well. Subscribe to the channel so that this English channel also becomes a 1 million family. And now those students who want to join me in my live sessions, they want to study from me daily in Vedantu platform. The link for that is given in the description box. That link would be reading as vdnt.in/ytpro. That link, once you open that link, you will be able to see a page like this. Select your grades, select your boards. Then you will reach at a page like this. Here, just click on get subscription. Once you click here, you will be able to see a page like this, subscription page. Choose your subscription according to your need and according to your pocket. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Now after that, just put a coupon code here, HPE Pro. HPE Pro. This coupon code will actually entitle you a discount of extra 15% over the discounted price. Okay? So then you will be able to get your live sessions in a much more affordable manner. Okay, fine. So guys, it's time to say a very goodbye to all of you. See you all guys in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care and good night. Bye bye. Chalo, bye.